Hello. Welcome back to Lifetime Growth, where we help you become the best version of yourself. Today we are taking a closer look at the social expectations to be a man. Does it ring a bell? We are talking about masculinity. Masculinity has always been a hot topic since the beginning, and society has defined it as what it means to be a real man. It is often associated with physical strength, aggression, and dominance. However, in this modern era, where the whole world order is changing quickly, the meaning of masculinity has also evolved, as so does the masculine traits. Now, masculinity is considered a unique set of qualities that are both powerful and nurturing for a woman. While high-value masculine traits are qualities that are mainly sought after by women when it comes to choosing a romantic partner. These traits are attractive. It indicates that a man is confident, reliable, and capable of being a strong leader and a partner. What are these masculine traits that drive women crazy? What makes a man irresistible to women? Is it his looks, his status, his charm, or something deeper? While there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, there are certain high-value masculine traits that women find irresistible. In this video, we'll explore these traits that will make you Prince Charming to her Cinderella. So without any delay, let's dive right into the high-value masculine traits that women find irresistible. The first trait on our list that women find irresistible is confidence. A man who is self-assured and comfortable in his own skin is incredibly attractive to women. Confidence can manifest itself in many ways, from the way a man carries himself to the way he speaks. Women are naturally drawn to men who project confidence because they feel safe and secure in their masculine presence. When a man is confident, he is also more likely to take risks and pursue his goals, which is a highly attractive quality. Leadership. Leadership is a trait that is highly valued in men. Women are attracted to men who can take charge and lead. A man who is a natural leader is someone who can inspire and motivate others to follow him. Ladies love men who can make decisions, take risks, and handle difficult situations with confidence and grace. It creates a sense of security and stability for them. A leader is respected and admired, and these two qualities are incredibly appreciated by women, or we can say, irresistible. Emotional intelligence. EQ is highly valuable. A man who can understand and empathize with the emotions of others is incredibly attractive to women. This trait was introduced when the whole concept of masculinity evolved from being strong, aggressive, and dominating. But now women prefer emotionally available men. It is about being able to connect with others on a deep level and understand their needs and desires. Men who possess emotional intelligence tend to have more compassion and empathy and are more likely to build strong, lasting relationships with women. Well, when it comes to women, they may have to choose between intelligence or emotional intelligence. Never forget that EQ is much more important than IQ. Independence. Independence is a trait that women find irresistible in men. An independent man is someone who is self-sufficient and does not rely on others to make decisions or take care of himself. Women love men who can take care of themselves and are not afraid to take charge of their own lives. Self-discipline also extends to other areas of life, such as work and personal relationships. A man who is disciplined in his work ethic and takes care of his health and well-being is someone who is seen as responsible and reliable. And that's what we call a natural magnet for women. Integrity. Integrity is another high-value trait that women find irresistible in men. A man with integrity is honest, trustworthy, and reliable. He keeps his promises and follows through on his commitments. He treats others with respect and kindness, even when no one is watching. To develop integrity, a man must first be honest with himself. He must identify his values and beliefs and live by them, even when it's not easy. He must also be accountable for his actions and take responsibility for his mistakes. When a man has integrity, he can be trusted, which is a highly attractive trait. Truthfully, this is what many women are missing today. Ambition. Women are attracted to men who have a clear sense of direction and purpose in life. An ambitious man is someone who has goals and works towards achieving them. He is motivated and driven to succeed in his career, his relationships, and his life. He's not content with mediocrity but strives for excellence in everything he does. An ambitious man is a man with a plan, who is willing to work hard and make sacrifices to reach his goals. He is also resilient in the face of obstacles and setbacks. Such men inspire women to pursue their dreams as well. Women love to see a man who is passionate about what he does and is committed to achieving his goals. Humor. You might be thinking, what? But humor is associated with intelligence, and a man who can make a woman laugh can demonstrate his wit and intelligence. Moreover, laughter releases endorphins, which can create a positive and relaxed atmosphere, making a woman more comfortable and connected with her partner. A man who is good with humor can often diffuse tense situations and make the woman feel more at ease. Humor is a sign of confidence and self-assuredness, both of which are highly irresistible. Ladies, what other masculine traits do you find irresistible? Men, what masculine traits does your woman find irresistible? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. And even if you are single, don't fret, keep working on yourself. Be the best version of yourself. Focus on your growth and the right person will come along. Take a moment to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications to receive updates on personal growth development and much more. Grow your mindset and let's continue this journey in the next video. Share moments, share growth. Take care.